Good morning. It is September 18th and is it the 18th? 19th. Man, I gotta keep my watch up. Anyhow, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, midnight, in the time zone that I'm going to. I'm off, flying to Seattle for Open Search Con, so let's go.
Attention, please. Construction baggage.
I don't know who thought it was a great idea to have like an hour between flights. 10 minutes between when my flight landed and when I had to be boarding my next flight, we'll say. Which I know. I'm not actually boarding at 7:20, but still. Bugs me a little. So I just got to my hotel, took an Uber here, and I'm waiting for my room key to be finished and developed. But otherwise, super hyped and ready to get exploring. Feels so good to lie down like that finally. Just kidding, I'm going to work. I guess tow trucks here are like first-class citizens, because that one definitely had sirens and sounded like a police car, but check out this monstrous building. What a freaking piece of art. Super excited to be here. Instead of going and getting food like I said I was gonna do, I'm actually gonna try and figure out how to get into the office because I've never used my badge before. And then, because I work at Amazon, so why not? I'm going to get food at Amazon. Just feels like that makes sense. So anyhow, I'm gonna see if any of my friends are there and we'll go from there. Also, yeah, what the heck, man? What is up with all this like architecture? Probably couldn't hear me when I was talking, but I'm like, what is up with all this funkadoo architecture? Freaking rad, I love it. What I really am liking is there are hills and look like fun artsy places to sit. That's cool. Hold on, there's another one right here. That's cool too. And wow, look, it's a hill. Videos don't really do this justice. Like, here's level. They're going up the hill. And here's me going down the hill. So I found it. There are many like it, but this is mine. Also, look at this crap. What the frick? Holy crap. What the heck is this? Guys, I've just about died and gone to heaven. This is too fun. I can't believe I'm here. Now that I've walked around the building, I need to figure out how to actually get in. A lot of steps. They want healthy people. Metro South. Metro North. So I literally just waved my badge and now I'm in. So this is where I thought I badged in. Wave to open. Oops. And now I've actually got to find out where I'm supposed to be.
Security suite.
I've got some bits to roast, so don't worry.
It just keeps going. Reporting, alerting, tracing the
So like that could easily change.
Holy freaking crap. So I didn't realize how much I missed working from an office. That was so much fun. And it was so good to get to see people, talk to people again. That being said, I found out I'm not crazy, not being able to connect to the internet and all. There was some super weird issue with my computer that took literally an hour and a half to troubleshoot. I'm completely fried. I'm going back to take a nap. So, not before. Going to look at the Amazon spheres, because everybody talks about them, but I actually want to see them myself. So, it's a really good thing that I didn't come all this way just to see the spheres, because they're closed. What the frick, just my luck. What the heck? Did this just happen, do you know?
I think they said like 15 minutes ago.
Holy crap. Some maniac came and beat up the glass, I guess. Holy frick. So just finished up a small little nap, and now I am on my way to go get everyone and tell them to go eat. What the frick? It's 6 o'clock. Get off work. Gotta go find my coworkers. Come on, losers. It's time to go eat.
Yeah!
Woo! Yeah, you did. Ah.
Blanchard Street. Here we are.
We can trust Google to put us in the right direction. I mean, what?
Can we?
Can we? What?
Is it can
Amazon?
we?
What?
It might be a Seattle. I literally never heard of
Bezos balls.
Is that what they're called?
Bezos
Ooh,
balls.
it's the Bezos balls.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Well,
Oh, good. I'm screaming even though I had the mic on the right setting. Oops. Whoa.
Chicken wings.
Amazon, 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 Amazon,
All of it's Amazon.
Amazon, Amazon, Amazon.